Afi ebre de say esamudo aba da wakata mu yere ebeto asode amam na afi yakọ ye online portal so Adom online my joy online ni akwakohwe esma do nso a etwagu ne anopai oman hene kwabena asante elie opamhye yamne ne madi ni ye
Obeze
me hwe ne ma
obeze metu eyi omaye dadi ban oye ye hiazi nina hallelujah nyametiasio I always say come minister but we tune dia nyametiasio hallelujah
this apartment na most metarezi
oh de na dom no hwe yesu dada and then me voice just back kra oh my yenda adiban and then for aziban oh yeah ne hia adi nina medimafo yes only hey Charlie mama nchi obi na edu bia se kaka no ala e bi no ba bibi o mama nchi obi
na we dey say na ko na je obi na wa pro obi aso
mama nchi obi ade achi asa me hwe bengu ma hwe nifa ana me ntie de obi e ka age saa ne no meti ono saa ne nko a me you good to go in life so the culture is very important se wote saa ne na eno na ma that positive energy no now the face day ni say day no ye botoma ye man na ya fruma ye man there be so so for kwache pa PR no hwe ne ye bia no man ko ye body gidie ne nam we die enko ye mame we die enko ye bapa o za bonyu na wo ka eja ne oba na Roman father kwa you know it's a che obia fabi yes na afi woni brese bra no wa ba brusu ni sa obi antimi brusu ni ma se nshira kora ba ana nshira wa nanti ankwa you know it is how ba na moja tu se ko tran to so a ka Kristo twam no twam ko yo
yes
ba opreya ma okonya no na ko sisi sign na hu na sign ni ade na hu yi opreya rewure mu se rewure mo je pa zir it making an effort e wa brabo we very important
yes
o print t-shirt e boy edin e boy na edin na we make effort o say MPC ba ha wontimi muso mo say e ubusa MPs du obunya mu baako
yes obe print
ba ayo say o no ti na mo t-shirt na o dey na me print e MP na so o yo customer MP ni wo print t-shirt koso ti dia me chira ka chira nyina de wo ye bia no apart from an enkra hanum si nipa do no adwano abonche na omoduane nye de ba kokora but still omo make effort they should improve it man do no adwano omonte so omoduane ko enye papa ba kokora enkra ye ewu enkra ye ewu complete ebe aduane a tan basa so ne buo pa ukodidi otakra dia o ba wi won sanyina odidi wa hunter obenum nkwan na keka onsem nyina
ne bo fom
e de bo so da fom udu oni kire sunwan udu oni kire hafo udu oni kire kumase akra
eish
enkoye mame we de enkoye papa choba nyina ne restaurant we de dia spices nkwan we de
nwa 100 Ghana
me kan kwa na acho no ti bia obutu atebubu ni asimfo so we odidi ye o me catch ro me ni baby efiri abesima no pay wo didi yi agasa eno na je me yonku bi emu okoto e ba bi e ru ada mo da to di mo wo di mo a dead rice the local rice na ye no Ghana ye provide am no kope bi na to wo di mo a kope sa ye local rice ni bi no na kope chira kwan na ja ne ne ma fo di o mo di ba bi no bi because me can say much on the power ya wa bon say no ma enkoye ma me no beti ase you know ti mesremo invest heavily in what you eat that's your health is very important aduane bia wo di should serve as a fuel energy I know what take abonus kakra na wo hwe cameraman ya aduane gare obi odi wacha won we fufu ni banku na dia na opa brabo didi basa because what say opese odidi na odidi ana pa kwa do bitimo Sisa wache nantwinam nantwi kotodwe or the kosua or the talia or the wele or the hey
we are sabe kase mpaboa eboa ede
aba
na ade ne ede ye mpaboa na wo we
ye didi basa show no bia koto fufuo pa fufuo ntua bi akrade 30 mienu owi na ode otwe ne akrante ne kusie ne apra ne adoa na ode awowo no ode apofia so so mu kakaka owi na ode akako aka ho wonu ye odo
ye didi for healthy living ye didi for see ebe me
ye didi am
yes ye didi see ebe me
but balanced diet ne dey ayira ye nyina akira kwan ho
kakra bi na asom na e kam o ze na wo ka asembe yempe bibi mfe yensanye
fa bibi fa onsaye fa bibi fa onsaye
uye Kristo ni a eye so be bompaye
ya fa bibi fa onsaye
biye no Nyankopon ehira na bibi nkita no obiye no Nyankopon na ye bibi na bibi nkita no
fa bibi
na no se Moses os de be ne kuta o se poma ufi se ne nsatia
ko ka na fa hwe na ade mu go nda on enko ye
bibi na ye
bibi ye
bibi na ye
en bibia unim ya so problem ti de ni ma o ma we school obi fi se me university ja se me konye nkoko yo mama jo mama nkoko bo kakra do chiwa and surprisingly me my adopt to because already na medical ya mekoni nkuruma ne tomato so machiwa na sa nkoko na na yenu anu aso esi omuti so no mabo ke ja sesa be 7 bi egum ti bro nya be nya me de che ya yes ti pe bibi what is in your hand
pe bibi
uni medwane ye onso tifie na oyema okunu na mfo pe bibiye commercialize it because uni medwane ye nkramonto so de do na aduane en so from by one oye ohun like super mu ache 3 layer enkwa insure ginani na ase ginana enam kwa estimu ama na udi won ka ha ebinim choba na nyenya
ubofun
nyenya o kasa mi kasa so oni ewu otu crown po bi ka ko ntimi nka ko kasa asante mo ko ko fa suru sani fo mu sengum de na yan call me tin wa hodo atojo de bokata de bre ma ho kwan e na kwa ewu kwada ahosepe agokansie asemidi kan ana afi pensem wa pomudin komo no da so ba okay so apomudin komo so de bebro enu aba fiama kwa de bebro na afi akwasi de asemidi kan na afi de eye agokansie na sister Sunday de ahosepe e de bre ansa no etika won say next 2 weeks bia no sectoral debate the bro
sure.
And I'm sure say be your sector be ko but in some do atojo de bokatem de bre e be man ho kwa kwasi online quickly
okay so online quickly Adom online say popular sports journalist passes Ghana yeah Class Media Sedu Agongo station Accra FM Class FM
we present one kind
no Accra NC Election diaries. Lower Menya Krobo PC prepares Banku for constituent.
Why? Okliti. Lower Menya Krobo.
Yeah.
Okliti. Tell me.
Oka. Say Oka Probono.
The Oka.
Oka yes.
When you go here, Mama.
Oka is election. U.S. court award $111 million to Trafigura in judgment that default against Ghana. Drama in court over stolen goat. Former presidential press corps visits Samuel Niyama's grave on 9th anniversary. Samuel Niyama 9 years ago. Stoneboy's road manager robbed at gunpoint. Oh wow. Police officer critically injured in gory accident at Patase. But my before so become MCA story about Smith Siwo NDC headquarters.
NDC headquarters. Yes. Is that about it?
Wabra National Peace Council pen for call. The functional executive council of NDC pen for so say. Omo mo kwa kodim komo say peace pact. Omo me ensan. After that we are NDC supporters. Ebowura mu ehuru peace council pen for.
Are you kidding me?
I'm telling you. Oh my.
Do you have the video?
That time patch mama video no. NDA peace council pen for. Ekona NDC for room no to
NDC for so munyina
you furu
because if you want to take over Ghana munyina ye kakra
chale
aba no hwe video ni bi na me dey hu dey
yes remo da bi
ade no muhuru my dey
menim be se mo me run Ghana because say ye nipa wanti no bibie wo man mu bi anye papa if a peace council for by bas na na ekoda na NDC supporters ehuro mo no
so o ma ye dey
say Oh, Debbie. And I'm going to say the Katia in plain say, see a begia to me as I have ya, and she say, and ya wo, so much me this way best sign, and just say you will be a con baby. So where from this I quack obi.
Well, because my concern about Dr. Democrats, these are politicians and they always want to use us as, you know, the owner of calf tie found as well. Onambua, a book, Macachero. You cannot love the NDC more than a more woody party in the Democrat. And they were dancing be more the parties tuning in Echi. Mojuma bomo. Mapo Mudin Sema bomo. Musika Sema conform kura. Why? Is that how you want to rule a country?
That's a film.
Oh, yeah, when you are. Now, per se, yeah, now with years. What do we say? You know, opinion the cross say, yeah, Bakum, you know me and son, now you found a home farm. Where there are disagreements, it's not a war, it's not crime. Well, that's politicians. They are reducing everything to clear. Yeah. Look at this, the impunity. Okay, so occasion FNCA, FNCA
What about papers basic?
Well, Daily Graphic remittances fetched $28 billion in 10 years. Experts call for measures to leverage inflow. And listing graphic on stock market better option, NMC chairman. And cabinet approves gifted, talented education. And also, the custodians slate making huge gains, President Naka say. And regions hail Akufo-Addo's DRIP initiative. And also, say the Ghanaian publisher said drama in court over stolen goods. Kasipa family man with Snake pays 3.2 billion Ghana cedis to contributors. And local government minister demands timely completion of projects. The Accra Times, they say, you stole our manifesto. NDC accuses MPP Afenyo marking task Mahama to debate inconsistent Baumia. And 2024 elections, MPP manifesto is an action plan. Samuel Abujinapo Anakase, Daily Analyst, we only received 105,000. GBC boss clarifies. And we who didn't we say back and forth. One Kasawa San Krata, Edia Dance here say you sublet some of the things that you are doing because you don't have capacity to private individuals to do. And the total sum of that money was in the excess of about $3 million.
3.6 million.
Why do we make noise out of this? They politicize everything in this country. If the process is leading to that payment, you know, and as a company, we have issues about that. Yes. Clearly, we have to talk about it. On my way there, well, Mama Fancy, and we see the Edisuba, Yako.